Hi, welcome to Class 9. Pronunciation and Common Mispronunciations. Lesson Objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the difference between vowel and consonant sounds in English identify and correct common mispronunciations. Use correct syllable stress and intonation for clarity and fluency. Improve accent clarity for better global comprehension. Practice active listening and self-correction. Using voice recordings, Section 1. Understanding pronunciation in English. What is pronunciation? Pronunciation is the way a word or a language is spoken. It involves articulation, the shape and movement of the mouth, stress, which syllables are emphasized, intonation, the rise and fall of the voice, rhythm, the pattern of sounds and pauses. Key terms term definition phoneme. The smallest sound unit in speech, vowel. A speech sound made without blocking airflow, consonant. A speech sound made by obstructing airflow, stress emphasis on a syllable in a word, intonation, pitch movement in speaking, question, command, etc. Section 2. Vowel and consonant sounds. English. Vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds in English, 5 letters, 20 sounds, including short vowels, /I/, sit, /e/, pen, /a/, cat. Long vowels, /I:, seat, /u:, food. Diphthongs, /ai/, like, /ea/, say, /uo/, go, English consonant sounds. There are 24 consonant sounds, including plosives, /p, /b, /t, /d, /k, /g, fricatives, /f, /v, /s, /z, /s, /z, affricates, /th, /j, judge. Nasals, /m, /n, /ng, approximants, /l, /r, /w, /j, section 3. Syllable stress and intonation, syllable stress. In multisyllable words, one syllable is louder, longer. Table, computer, photograph, photographer, photograph, IC. Stress shifts. Rules of word stress. 2-syllable nouns, touch adjectives, stress the first. Table, clever. 2-syllable verbs, cheech, prepositions, stress the second. Relax, repeat. Prefixes, suffixes usually don't take stress. Intonation patterns function, pitch pattern statement. Falling question, yes, no, rising. Open-ended question, rising. Falling surprise, emotion, wide rise. Example, you're going home. Surprise. You're going home. Statement. Section 4. Common mispronunciations in English. Here are frequently mispronounced words, especially by ESL learners. Incorrect, correct notes. Pronunciation. No noun in the middle. Develop with stress on first syllable. Develop stress is on second syllable receipt, sounding the P. Receiped. R-E-C. T. Silent P vegetable, 4 syllables. Vegetable. Veds. Deet. T. Deep bake. Only 3 syllables comfortable. Comp table. Comfty t. BL. Only 3 syllables. Pronunciation drill. Repeat the correct pronunciation of comfortable jewelry. February library salmon. Section 5. Accent. Clarity and listening comprehension. Accent versus clarity. Having an accent is natural. The key goal is clarity, not sounding like a native. Tips to improve clarity. Enunciate syllables. Slow down slightly. Pause at commas and periods. Practice with shadowing technique, imitating native speakers line by line. Listening practice. Watch out for connected speech. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Silent letters. Honest, knife. Listen. Homophones, there versus there versus there. Section 6. Voice recording exercise. Instructions, choose a short paragraph. See below. Record yourself reading it aloud. Listen back and identify. Word stress, intonation. Mispronounced sounds, record again with improvements. Practice. Text. Good communication is more than speaking clearly. It's about expressing your thoughts with confidence and connecting with your audience. Reflection. Which words did you struggle with? Was your tone rising, fartage falling at the right time? Could someone from another country understand you easily? Section 7. Lesson Summary. Key area takeaway: vowels and consonants. Learn IPA symbols and sound examples. Word stress, no rules, and apply to multi-syllable words. Intonation: use pitch to show meaning, questions, surprise, etc. Common errors. Fix mispronounced English words. Accent and clarity: focus on understanding and being understood. Practice tool use recordings for self-assessment and improvement. Assignment: record yourself reading 3 new sentences each day. Listen and compare with native recordings. Use youglish.com or forvo.com. Make a pronunciation diary. Write down 3 words you mispronounced. Their correct IPA transcription audio link or resource. Watch a 3-minute English video and repeat 5 lines using the shadowing technique. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.